Alright, hey guys, I just wanted to do a video on my Mag 2. I got it from an old logger in Michigan. He said he found it in a scrapyard actually, and he got it back together and he used it for some years, and obviously it's a little outdated to use now, but it's all original. I put the D-handle starter on it, make it a little easier to start. I think it's really a lot of compression on it, so put a shitty 28-inch bar and chain from Oregon, cheapest you could get. I do need an outer spike for it, don't have that yet. Order one eventually. Brake works. Yeah, push the shit out of it. There's a little crack in the handle. And operator presence over still works, so throttle lock works. Kill switch doesn't work, just choke it to turn it off, so that's not really a big deal. I do have to clean it up. This video will be my first cuts with it ever. I haven't made a cut with this saw yet. I waited on a bar and chain for a while, waited that to come in. I got this right before Christmas, so shipping's been really fucked up lately, so yeah, I'll get this saw warmed up and I'll bring it out and make a few cuts with it. Just attacked the saw. It's about like 11.5 wide open. It's a little rich, so I'm gonna keep it there. So yeah, that's the Mag 2. Cuts pretty good. Has a lot of torque. You can kind of just dig it in and let it go pretty much. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks. I also forgot to say that was probably 20-inch red oak. It's alive still, so it's pretty hardwood. It wasn't like it was pine or something like that. So yeah.